Hello kids, hello grade 4 and 5. Ayan. Last week, pinag-usapan natin ang integers. So sabi natin, ang integers include all the whole numbers and negative numbers. This means, if we include negative numbers along with the whole numbers, we can form a set of integers. An integers is a number with no decimal or fractional part, and it includes negative and positive numbers, including zero. So positive numbers, a numbers is positive is greater than zero. Example, 1, 2, 3. Kung hindi na natin nilalagay yung symbol ng positive. Yan. Pag 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on, that is positive. Negative is a number with the negative, it is less than zero. Ayan, nakikita niyo yung katabi ng number, no? May dash before the number. That is the negative sign. So, negative sign. So, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. So, 0 is defined as neither a negative number nor a positive number. It is a whole number. Okay. So nakita natin, nandun sa left side natin, negative, sa whole number natin, yung 0, 1, 2, 3, o tinatawag din natin natural numbers, yung 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Or yung mga positive number. Sabi natin, again, si 0, hindi siya belong sa positive at hindi rin siya belong sa negative. Okay, so these are. 0 is neither positive nor negative. Okay, pag-usapan din natin yung addition of integers. Sabi natin sa rule, to get the sum of integers with same sign, add them and affix the common sign. So kung parehong positive, positive ang sagot. Kung parehong negative, negative ang sagot. To add the difference or to add integers with different signs, get the difference of the absolute value, affix the same sign, as the added with the greater absolute value. So kung magkaiba ang sign, isubtract natin sa pamamagitan ng absolute value. Kung sino yung malaking number, subtract natin yung maliit na number. And then, anong gagawin? Kung ano yung sign ng may greater value, kokopyahin lang natin. That is it. Subtraction of integers, na pag-aralan din natin last week, may mga rules tayo. Okay. First, transform the subtraction in the integers problem into the addition of integers problem. Here's how. First, keep the first number known as minuend. So, hindi natin babaguhin yung sign ng minuend natin. Then, yung subtraction, gagawin natin addition. Then second, change the operation from subtraction to addition. Third, get the opposite sign of the second number known as subtrahend. So yung second number natin o yung subtrahend natin, yung pang-subtract natin, kung positive siya, gagawin natin negative. Kung negative siya, gagawin natin positive. Then finally, proceed to the regular addition of the integers. Kung paano tayo nag-add, ganun lang din yung gagawin natin. So change sign from subtraction, magiging addition. Tapos yung sign ng subtrahend natin, kung positive, magiging negative. Kung negative, magiging positive. Okay, now let's go to multiplication of integers. Listen mabuti kasi madali lang ito. Okay, rule number 1. The product of two positive integers is positive. How it is? Okay, let's say, sabi dyan, positive times positive is equals to positive. So, ang dalawang positive number, kapag minultiply mo, ang sagot ay positive. Let's say 2 times 3. Okay. that is 6. So positive 2 times 3, that is positive 6. So 7 times 4. Positive 7 times 4, that is 28. Madali lang, di ba? Positive times positive, it is equals to positive. Okay. Rule number 2 tayo. Rule number 2. The product of two negative integers is positive. Ibig sabihin, negative times negative is equals to positive. Okay. Yung rule number 1 natin, pag parehong positive ang factors, ang sagot or ang product ay positive. Ang rule number 2, kapag parehong negative ang integers natin, ang sagot ay positive. So positive times positive, positive. Negative times negative, positive. Okay, negative times negative, positive. Example, negative 3 times negative 2. Okay. 3 times 2, that is 6. Dahil pareho siya lang negative, anong dapat magiging sagot? 6. Positive 6. Nakuha? Isa pa. Negative 8 times negative 3. Pareho negative, negative times negative, dahil pareho silang negative, that is positive. Then 8 times 3, that is 24. Okay? So madali. Madali lang. Okay. So, dali lang siya. Okay. Paano, teacher, kapag magkaiba ang sign? Let's say this rule will apply. Okay. The product of positive integer and negative integer is negative. Same sign, same positive, same negative, the product is positive. If they are different sign, apply the rule number 3. So, if they are different sign, the product is negative. Positive times negative, that is negative. Negative times positive, that is negative. Okay, example. Let's say we have 3 times negative 2. Okay, so they have different signs. C3, positive. C2, negative. So sabi ng rule number 3, pag magkaiba ang sign, negative ang sagot. Dahil magkaiba na sila ng sign, isang positive, isang negative, negative na yung magiging sagot natin. Then multiply. 3 times 2, that is 6. Another example. Let's say we have negative 4 times positive 4. Okay. So magkaiba ang sign, isang negative, isang positive. So ang magiging sagot ay good, negative. Then multiply the number. 4 times 4, that is 16. So our answer is negative 16. So that is for multiplication. Okay.